So I layered them, and each layer has like cinnamon and then this orange juice. And then when I cook them, I always do it in coconut oil with some brown sugar or regular cane sugar and just mash it up and go hard. I kind of want to like cook them down and eat them right now, but I know I'm going to regret that later in the week when I'm hungry and I need a little snack. So I'm going to just let these marinate. I'm all done. I got my green juice for the week, an extra one in case I get greedy. Clementines for a snack each day. Rice, black beans, mushrooms for dinner, and then I have like jackfruit. It's basically gonna be like fried chicken, but it's breaded and got hot sauce and all that good stuff on it. And then my yams marinating in their cinnamon orange juice, little medley, and then oatmeal each day for breakfast. You know, if you can't sleep, just meal prep, people. Let's be healthy. Oh, and an avocado to top the rice and beans.